Ehen, my fellow Nigerians, sorry we just get breaking transmission due to power failure. And that power failure now we make us still talk about say we go still work on power supply for our GDP to boost our economy. That power supply now make am be say if you see wetin come happen just now, say as we dey talk so, NEPA take light. And na make am be say we dey talk say we go fit work efficiently. Even see my presentation now when I dey try tell una so na NEPA come disappoint. But now we don come carry the generator come on, come be say make we start this work again. Because we no go finish o. We must talk this matter, talk and finish. So that una go know the person una dey put for there as una president for this 2019 election. So right now, as we come talk for here now, you go see say for this place now, na wetin we don talk about the finished product, and we talk about say all these things now na the finished product na dey make economy better. Na dey make economy better. So if we dey talk say make economy better, na through this finished product na economy fit better. So I wan make all of us know say na price now. Na price na we still look say na go fit make finished product different from primary product. Because if you look at now the price of crude oil compared to the price of petroleum product, na difference. We go make more money when we dey produce finished product, no be when we dey produce primary product. E just be like person wey be say e go sell cassava for market, e wan compare am with the person wey go sell garri. They fit price cassava anyhow because you no get quantity wey be say they go talk. We no dey use scale, we no dey use weight take dey buy all those things for market. But when e don come to garri matter, you go find am say yes, everybody don say usokpo of garri dey, rubber of garri dey, bag of garri dey. And you no get any house wey you go enter for Nigeria for out of 10 wey be say 8 no chop garri. For this one we dey so. So na wetin be say me I come talk say now we don talk about price now. We wan talk about price now. Wetin price carry for our Nigeria economy? Now this wahala wey we dey so now, e don carry us wey dem dey call price is what na wetin we dey call price determination. Na wetin we take determine price, because during the time of those days, na wetin price dey determine people market, and of which people suppose understand wetin price dey do. Price na wetin be say e dey affect market, because wetin make people go talk say they wan go buy something when the price dey good. That means when they fit demand that price, and that make am go talk about now this one now. For this price determination, we wan talk about these 4 things wey go dey, when we take and take fit explain how we go fit use the reduced form